We're on this bridge in Great Barrington. This bridge has a very large history with repairs and maintenance.
And we're going to try to apply a new technology called cold spray, which is sort of a 3D printing technology of metals on a bridge to try to repair corroded parts.
So the technology stays beyond a very low amount of temperature. You don't have to weld, so you don't really affect the parent structure at all.
One other advantage is that we can be very local. We can scan the beam, we know exactly where it has corroded, and we can go to these particular places and spray. We don't need to do like a whole big plate. We don't have to encase big stuff in concrete. We can be very precise.
We can expand on this exciting work and possibly help bridge maintenance engineers in making these bridge repairs even faster than it's currently being done.
We think this is the most cost-effective way to repairing bridges, and then if this becomes actually, let's say, the reality of repairing thousands of bridges, I think the billions of dollars will be saved.